So what is so special about the Norwex microfiber? If you compare with other cleaning cloth, a lot of microfibers are available everywhere. But when you touch our cloth, you can tell the difference because it is very thick. It is very thick and it is also very heavy. So why do we need the cloth to be thick and heavy? Because we want very strong absorption and also electrostatic charge. So how microfiber cleans is, it cleans mechanically, meaning we don't use chemical. Because of the static charge when it is dry, it's like a magnet, so it will pull whatever dust that is on the surface, it will grab hold of it and it will pick up everything. We are not talking about killing germs or killing bacteria, we are talking about removing them from the surface. So when you use chemical, what do? You spray on the surface, right? Then you let the chemical react and kill whatever that is on the surface. But not forgetting, you have to clean the surface again to remove all the chemical residue. And is your cloth capable of removing everything from the surface? There is another alternative. You don't need to use chemical, you just clean with water. And how is this possible? Because our microfiber is very, very fine. See, any cloth can be classified as a microfiber as long as the fineness of the fiber is 1/6 of a strand of a hair. So imagine I pluck one strand of my hair, I split it into 6, and then I use all this fiber and weave it into a cloth. That cloth is already considered a microfiber. Our technology allows us to split a strand of hair to 200. So that is the fineness of our fiber. So why do you need it to be so fine? When you look at a microfiber like my hand, right? So these are all the mini fibers. So every fiber, every finger of mine is one fiber, and this is 1 to 200 of a strand of a hair. So it's like a claw. So when you wipe, it will create a lot of static charge and it will pick up everything. Just like why a lizard can hang itself on a ceiling and walk across. It's because of all this fine hair on their legs, right? So that create a very strong force that allow them to stick on the ceiling and they won't drop off. So the same concept applies to our cloth. So it will create static charge when it is dry. Okay, when you use it wet, that means damp, what it does is another force will come into play, and that is called the capillary action. So what is capillary action? So if you have 2 glasses of water with, say, the same level, right? And you put 2 straws inside, one a fat straw and one a skinny one. So you will notice that for the skinny one, the water level of the straw will go above that of the glass. So let's say you have a straw, the water level will rise above that of the glass because of what you call the capillary suction. So this is what will pull everything up from the surface. So when you use it wet, it will pick up everything on the surface, and not only pick up, it will also hold on to it. Just like the straw, the water level will stay there, it won't drop, right? And the finer the straw, the higher the level. So the same concept for our cloth. Because the fibers are so fine, there are a lot of gaps in between all the fiber. So whatever that is removed from the surface will be captured and held in between all these tiny gaps. So you have all this gap to grab hold of the dust. So you don't have to worry that you have to keep rinsing the cloth when you're wiping a dirty surface, because it will just hold on to it and you can continue to use it, right? Until such time you find that, okay, it is not so absorbent, I will rinse it. Secondly, when I talk about the thickness, right? On this piece of cloth, the length of the fiber is 3 million meters. It's one long strand. 3 million meters is the distance between Kuala Lumpur and Singapore 10 times. That's the amount of fiber on this piece of cloth. And our cloth is capable of absorbing up to 7 times its weight. So depending on the type of weave, it can pick up to 7 times of its own weight. And the third quality of this cloth that you can't find it in other microfiber is that we have microsilver infused into the cloth. And this is our own proprietary technology called BacLock, meaning bacteria lock. So what does it do? It's not to kill bacteria from the surface. Whenever you use any cleaning cloth, after wiping an oily surface, after a while, maybe after 2 or 3 uses, you'll find that it's very smelly, right? And then it starts having mold, right? And then it becomes like very slimy if you don't clean it properly. That's because of bacterial growth. So bacteria is harboring inside the cloth because it's not cleaned properly. So because our fibers are so fine and we have so much fiber on this piece of cloth, we need the backlog technology to help to self-purify the cloth. Of course, you still need to wash the cloth. It's just that you don't need to wash it so often because it picks up so much. Technically, you have to wash it a lot more times, right? But because of the microsilver, it will also help in your cleaning process. So after using, all you need to do is rinse under the tap water, rub cloth on cloth so that the fibers are rubbing against each other to remove whatever debris and dirt that is trapped inside. And then you will just hang it indoor. You don't need to hang it under the sun. You want it to gradually dry up by itself, but in a ventilated area. So within 24 hours, it will self-purify for you and you won't have mold or you won't have smell on the cloth. And once a week, depending on usage, then you need to do a deep cleaning. Then you will use our laundry detergent, or if you have any eco-friendly detergent that you want to use, you can also use it. So that's backlog. So microsilver, whenever it is damp, it will release silver ions. And we know that silver is antimicrobial. It has antibacterial properties. So it will inhibit bacterial growth. So there are bacteria that are trapped inside the cloth. And maybe after washing, some will drop out, but some will still stay inside the cloth. So the silver will then stop the bacteria's reproduction function, so they cannot reproduce, and also stop their digestive function, so they will starve to death. And most of our products have backlog. There are some that don't because it's not necessary for every product to have backlog.